Somehow we found our way to Fort Stanton Historical Site. Very cool, interesting. Quite a bit of history here, I guess. Because you can go in these different buildings. Oh, cool. Buffalo Soldiers Road. Some steps going off into nothing. An old fire hydrant out there. Huh. And marked parking. Alright, let's explore a little bit, shall we?
She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
Cool place to stumble upon. This was one of the places I wanted to visit while we were here, but we were just out driving around looking for a picnic area, saw a sign and realized we weren't very far from here at all. So I've got a couple of friends who are working not far from here. They're camp hosting, and so I just sent them a text, and they're on their way. They're going to come meet up with us, and I think you guys will recognize them. I'm so excited. Anyway, very cool place. Wow, that literally took them like 2 minutes. Yay! Personal tour guides.
This is craziness.
Hey! Fancy meeting you here.
I know.
Hi!
What are you doing?
Hugs!
You found a geocache here?
No.
Oh.
Now I have to go geocaching. Okay, let's do
I was
it.
gonna say, you got to find the one at Fort Stanton, too.
Oh, wow. All right, let's see if I can get the geocaching app to work.
Oh, that's what I thought. Oh, she's
Hello.
at the geocache.
All right, so there apparently is a geocache right here, so we're going to try to find it. My app says I'm 1 foot from it. 5 feet from it.
Plus 15, or minus 15 feet.
Do I have to climb down there? Frugal's found it already.
Yeah, I've been here a couple of times.
So do I have to climb down there?
Yeah. If not,
Why can't it be right here?
yeah. Of course, Hike With Me's already found it, and
Has
she
she?
has found it, so
Cool.
somebody else come find it.
Neat. That's a great one. All right, I'm going to sign the log. After we found the geocache, we decided to go check out the Welcome Center and take a little tour of the Fort Stanton area. Luckily, Frugal was my personal tour guide. The cave. Huh. So where's the actual cave?
It is on the BLM land.
Uh-huh.
At the primitive area that we take care of, actually.
Cool.
Yeah.
So have you been in there?
No, it's closed.
Oh, okay.
It's closed because they're protecting the bats from the white nose syndrome.
Okay, cool. Gotta take care of those bats. Neat.
This is all the area that we take care of.
Oh, really? Wow.
That's the BLM land.
12 miles. That is amazing. But we can't go in there. Huh. Can you imagine the first guys with their little headlights? How scary. Alright, so now I heard there's a geocache here somewhere, and it's in the building. Could be there. No, no.
Yeah. Think ammo box.
Ammo box.
Well, they moved it.
Did they move it?
I can see it now.
There's a geocache in here, Blaine. She can see it. It's gotta be this. This right here. How cool. I love it. That's awesome.
That looks like a plastic crown.
Yes.
That's awesome.
In a wooden ammo box.
So cool. So is today the 6th?
It's today the 6th. What day it is?
I think I put the 8th on the
Oh, it is. It is. No, today's the 7th. Look at that.
That's cool.
We don't know what day it is.
It's
It
August.
doesn't matter.
Yeah, normally you wouldn't go manhandle stuff in a.
I know. Isn't that right? In a museum?
So this is the bunkhouse, huh?
This is the bunkhouse. Can you tell?
I can. Huh. I bet it looked a little different back in the day.
Yeah.
Probably way more bunks. Yeah, look how wide these beds are. Well, Frugal was just telling me it's because they're 2 to a bunk. Yeah, that had to have been a lot of fun for these poor soldiers. Girl Scout camp, we even got our own bunk. Repeat, please.
So the fort was built in 1855, but by 1896, the troops at Fort Stanton were no longer needed to provide protection from the Indians.
So then what happened?
Yeah, and what happened? The decision was made to close the fort,
Okay.
and on August 17th, 1896, the final report was sent back to Lieutenant Black, and the Fort Stanton was officially closed in 1896. So in 1899, President McKinley issued an executive order setting Fort Stanton aside as a tuberculosis hospital.
Oh,
And this is the hospital here.
cool. It's a bread slicer. How cool. An apple core. Cutter mixer. Very neat. What's this? Dairy centrifuge. Huh. Man, what a tough life. An ice crusher. A meat tenderizer. Look at the size of that needle. That's no good. No bueno. And here we have the recruitment secretary working. She's very hard at work. She's got to recruit and train. Huh. So Kim said she's getting a P.O. box here, so that'll be hers. This is a surgical ward. Kind of scary. Radiology. The pharmacy. Type A tent houses had sliding canvas panels on 3 sides. Type B tent houses had screened-in windows with canvas flaps. And what are all these other random buildings? Just housing and...
Officers' quarters number 3.
Uh-huh.
Today it's the BLM office.
Neat.
Yeah, that's where our boss works, his office.
How
The
cool.
commander's quarters, that's a cafeteria, but if you look at that cafeteria,
Mm-hmm.
the architecture is a whole lot different from the rest of the fort.
Yeah.
So
Was building a different...
built
Yeah.
at a later time. And then these were all officer quarters.
So this is where they had the German internment camp. And they built a swimming pool. If you want more information on that, check out Frugal RV Gal. She's got a video on that, and I will link that right here. Very interesting.
Looks like we made it. Looks like we made it.
Today was a pretty fabulous day. My brother Blaine and I went down to Ruidosa and ended up down by Fort Stanton and hung out with Frugal and Kim. What a fun time. They are such awesome people. So we're just finishing up our night here in our little secluded Aspen Grove, enjoying a little mandatory campfire time. whatever you're doing, you're having an awesome night too. Y'all stay lost, my friends.